Hey, what's up guys? It's Jamie here. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video and welcome to the channel. Today what we're going to be talking about is the 3 things you need to concentrate on from a mindset perspective in order to elevate your affiliate marketing business. Now, this comes from my own personal experience. It comes from things that I've learned along the way and of course the guidance I've gained from my mentors along the way. Now, if you are at a point where you're thinking, okay, I'm finally ready to address my mindset as far as the affiliate marketing goes, and you're wondering how to do it and what you should concentrate on, the problem is with mindset is it's an absolute minefield. Like there's a big dark hole of stuff that you can go into, right? And that's one of the kind of problems of addressing mindset. So let's condense everything down into the things that, in my opinion, my experience at least, I believe, are the things that you need to concentrate on to grow your business. Anyway, before I get to all that, welcome to the channel. First and foremost, if this is the first time here, my name is Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and I concentrate mainly on high-ticket affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in that type of stuff, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. Also, if you're interested in learning how you can go from zero to over $10,000 per month online using nothing more than your Facebook profile, all you need to do is click that link below, check out the free case study, and of course if you're interested in working together, feel free to lock in a time and you and I can chat to see if we are a good fit. Alright, so here's the 3 things. So affiliate marketing, it's one of those industries where the barrier of entry is very low. Anyone with an internet connection, and I understand there's going to be nuances in terms of your location, things like that, I get that, but anyone with an internet connection can essentially sign up to an affiliate network, find a product, start promoting it, right? There's free methods here on YouTube, creating review videos, etc., etc. There's all sorts of stuff. Anyone can do that, right? And so because of the low barrier of entry, it means that as a byproduct, a lot of people jump on it thinking that it's easy cash because that's how it gets sold. But then what happens is people come to this point and then they end up watching videos like this thinking, my mindset's all busted. I don't really know what to do with the whole affiliate marketing thing. I feel like I've got all the tactics and nothing's really clicking into gear. What do I do? Like everything's such a mess. So here's the 3 things. Anyway, stop stalling, Jamie. Right, okay, thanks. So number 1, which is that's 3, that is 1. I just learned to count. What a great day today is. So the first thing in particular is you have to have a very, 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 very solid reason at your cellular level why you are doing this. And the reason I say that is it's very cliche. People say you need to have a very strong why, and it's so true. Cliches are true for a reason. That's why they're cliches, right? Because they get thrown around all the time because it's based on actual people's experience. That's why. So if your reason for doing this isn't strong, and what I mean is, if the pain of not doing it isn't strong enough to compel you every day to move forward, to go create something in your life and in your business, it's going to knock you down. All the setbacks that come along, which invariably will come along. There are going to be things out there that are going to piss you off and just not work and not go according to plan, and that sucks. It's hard to go through sometimes, but if your reason for doing it is very, very strong and you can just push through that and go, yep, okay, realign myself, okay, bam, I'm going to go through this now, then you're going to make it happen, right? And I know that's an easy thing to say, not necessarily an easy thing to do. So what you can do is go back through your reasons for doing it, and don't think because like you feel a social obligation that it should be because I want to be a charitable person, I want to look after my family. You may have other reasons. You might be slightly more narcissistic. You might want that solid gold watch. You might want the solid gold toilet seat for all I care. Whatever it is for you, whatever floats your boat, like it's completely fine to have those beliefs and if your why is something of like that is a material thing, that's completely fine. Like if you want to fly around in Lamborghinis and drive private jets, or in reverse, whatever that is, then go for it. That's fine. It's not for me to judge. It's not for anyone around you to judge. It's what drives you. Like if your reason for doing this is I really want to fly a Lamborghini because one's never flown before, apart from maybe in movies or something, then that can be your thing. That's completely fine. That's fine. It's not for me to judge. Of course, in most people's instance, they get over the materialistic stuff relatively quickly, and then they realize that it's all about spending time with the people they love and having an impact on humanity and all the people that they love around them, and hopefully helping rise others up. It ends up being like that as a byproduct of going through that pathway of chasing the materialistic stuff. But of course, that's not for me to judge, not for you to judge yourself, or judge yourself based on what you think society should tell you to do. It's what you want, right? So that's number one. Number two is, you got to understand that there is an absolute unlimited amount of abundance out there, absolute unlimited amount of opportunities out there. And I know sometimes when you are at the bottom of the barrel and you're looking up and you're like, oh my God, I'm like, how do I pay all these bills? And I don't know where the next crumb is coming from. And I don't know, that job didn't work out and I'm unemployed and I get it and blah, blah, and it feels just horrible, and you're stressed and panicked, and you go and you might even, that's when your self-sabotage might start kicking into gear, because you're like, the only way I can see my way out of this is by drinking my way out of it or taking drugs or whatever it is, right? But there is so much opportunity out there, and of course I've been very fortunate, because one of the companies that I used to work for, it was a financial trading company, and they had billions of dollars exchanging hands every single day through foreign exchange. And so therefore, yes, I've been privy to witnessing those, and maybe it's a little bit easier for me to see. But having said that, I've also been through my own downs, not so much the ups. I've been through a lot of downs, and so I went bankrupt. I've had a lot of financial stress. I had a lot of personal debt, a lot of very sporadic income on my pathway to make it here, which is, again, like I say, why my reason for doing this is very strong for me. So hence why I will not give up. I'm kind of like Terminator when it comes to this stuff. So, but there is so much abundance out there. And if you don't believe me, go to Facebook advertising, go open an account, check out the audience insights, and just type in whatever your niche is. So for me, it's affiliate marketing. And the last time I checked, this is about 6 months ago, I checked this now, there's over 15 million people in the United States alone that are interested, have some level of interest in affiliate marketing. So do you think that maybe if you were able to get in front of 0.1% of those people with a high ticket product, that maybe you might be able to make a fairly substantial income online? Maybe. Just showing it out there. But also the other thing to consider on that same note is, when you type into Google how to make money online, there's last time I checked, again, the caveat was a little while ago, but it was 4.2 billion results. So you think if there's 4.2 billion results, clearly some of those people are making a lot of money. Like, there has to be, right? So surely the pie is big enough for us all. In fact, the affiliate marketing industry alone is well over $12 billion at the time of recording. Now that's set to grow, of course, not going to go away. It turns out that the internet's not actually a fad, it's an actual thing that's staying. There is hundreds of thousands of new people entering the internet every single day. Think about that. That's crazy to think about. Like, literally they are signing up with companies to get internet installed in their house, and then are learning about the internet, and then are learning about all this stuff. So it's like there's so much opportunity out there, is just absolutely ridiculous, right? So don't ever buy into that false belief that there's not opportunity. That is going to not do you any good at all, right? So that's number two. And number three is you have to take immense amounts of self-responsibility. Like, you have to be completely self-aware and completely responsible for your own actions, and completely responsible for where you are in your own journey as well. Yeah. Because the thing is, if you don't have that belief, then what it means is that there's an element of your way of thinking that is leaning towards victim mentality. So then, as a byproduct of that, guess what? It's not your fault. Someone else did this to me, and they started at a different time than I did, and that's already saturated that way of doing things, and all that stuff, all these excuses that you start making. Then guess what? It leads to procrastination, because then you don't feel secure in doing that. You don't trust the process anymore, and then that leads to that, and then that leads to shiny object syndrome. So you go find something else that you think is going to be the savior, and then you buy into the sales page, and everything feels amazing. And that's a cycle, right? So take some massive amounts of self-responsibility, and what that allows you to do is also adjust as you go through. So then you can go, okay, well, that didn't work. What else can I try? Okay, well, that's not working. Okay, what else can I remove that? Can I outsource that? Can I get rid of it? Is it something that is helping me or not helping me in my business? Whatever the case may be. And it's going to allow you to plow through those obstacles a lot easier. Yeah, because then you're going to go, okay, what have I done that has put me in this situation? What emotional response am I having to that? Can I have a different emotional response to that? Can I understand that the actions that I've taken basically right now, right here, and historically that has got me to this point. So as a byproduct of that, taking massive amounts of responsibility for that means that you can also, guess what, you can take responsibility enough to go, well, I can also change that. If my financial situation is based on the decisions I've made that have led me to here right now, then guess what, you can make some new decisions. How powerful is that? How awesome is that? How much better do you feel going, you know what, shit, yeah, that is awesome. I'm here because I put myself here. So guess what else? You can put yourself somewhere else. How cool is that? Anyway, those three things alone, if you concentrate on all those, you boil down all the mindset stuff into those things for affiliate marketing, at least anyway. I know that's going to open up a whole kettle of fish for a lot of people, but concentrate on those three things and you will be able to align yourself with some new beliefs. And those new beliefs are going to serve you a lot better than playing victim and blaming everyone else and not having a strong reason for doing it, all that sort of stuff. So hopefully that helps some of you guys out. I really appreciate you tuning in. If you did get some value from that, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to drop a comment below. Smash that like button, and like I say, if you're interested in learning how to scale your business up to 10K per month using free traffic and free strategies, all you need to do is click that link below, check out the free case study, and if you'd like to work with me, all you need to do, go through there. There's an option to book a call, and I'd love to chat to you guys, see if I can help you out. Anyway, my name is Jamie. Appreciate your time. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.